Hey everybody, Marty with seeing on the mountain, just finishing up with my buddy Saban's extractor and letting the bees clean everything up for me. Wanted to give you a look at that. So here we are. Hopefully I don't get stung. I don't have a veil or anything on, but probably should. I wanted to let you look at it. All right, probably enough. Got a bee on my finger and diving in my head, and there you are. There she is, crawling all over my finger. There you go, good girl. And I had them clean up the tubs. Got all the tubs cleaned up pretty good. Just a little bit of wax left. That's about it. One keeps landing on me. She likes, maybe, hopefully she won't sting me. There you go. Go on, little girl. Anyway, got some more equipment back there. Letting the bees clean that up back there. Getting it all cleaned up. Get this stuff back to Saban. Alright, hope you all doing good. It's evening here in the Pleasant Valley. Sun's about to go down. Another beautiful day. Took the day off from work to finish up these bees. Get this honey extracted. Now I pulled most of the honey the other day. And now I've got to get all the bees fed up and get them tucked away for the winter now. But I got all the honey pretty much processed. And excellent extractor. There's the big bee house and the bee truck. Big box. All right, y'all take care. Have a beautiful day. See you on the mountain. Share, like, and subscribe.